imeongelelewa na wa deputy whip, na niseme ya kwamba ni vibaya sana kuita viongozi malaya ama kahaba, kwa sababu ukiangalia mtandao wa social media ambao uliweza kuandikwa na huyo kiongozi wa chama, ukiangalia wahusika wa hiyo WhatsApp group, kuna mpaka His Excellency the Deputy President in that WhatsApp group. Kwa hivyo by the time unakuja kusema ati our nominated members are concubines, haufanyi jambo nzuri kabisa. Sisi tulichaguliwa Nairobi, na kusema our members ni nominated sio kusema ati hawakuchaguliwa. There is a process of nominating a member to become a member of this county assembly. Vile sisi tulichoka tukitafuta kiti ground, it is the same way hawa watu pia walichoka wakitafuta kiti kuwa nominated, and that's why we call them special elect members. We no longer call them nominated members, kwa sababu hapa hata ukipiga kura kwa bunge, hiyo kura bado inatoshana. Whether you are elected on the ground or you are a special elect, the voting powers in bunge are the same. So we want to request our leaders, whether you are a minority whip or you occupy whichever position, that we need to give respect to our special elect members. And on to the same issue, these are the same issue that we addressed through the party the other day. You remember there was a vote of no confidence against these two members. Our standing orders 23.8 allows us, kama members ambao wamepewa jukumu katika bunge hawajaweza kuwajibika vizuri, we did a vote of no confidence against the minority leader and against the minority whip. And at the party headquarters, Her Excellency Honorable Cecily Barire was given the mandate by His Excellency the President to deal with that issue. And along the way, we want, as the members of the UDA party, to caution the Secretary General of the party, Malala.
Yeah.
Yes. We are saying that Malala must keep off Nairobi politics.
Yeah.
We are saying that Malala must withdraw his sentiments about how to manage Nairobi County Assembly.
Yes.
We are saying that Malala lacks and shows lack of leadership as the SG of the party. You cannot keep on moving from house to house ati unabeba bakuli na wale hawana kitu ya kukuwekea hiyo bakuli, mambo yao hutaki. We want to say that we have consolidated our evidence against the SG, and we have agreed that we will not allow him to intimidate any member through whether calls or otherwise. And we have agreed candidly that we are going to tell the SG to keep off Nairobi politics. I want to remind you, we were in this same house when Honorable Tuju, the former SG of Jubilee Party, kept on interfering with the leadership of this assembly. We are seeing the same thing with Honorable Malala. And he has copy-pasted the same issue, the same character from the former SG. And we are saying that is how Jubilee Party actually came down. Na hatutaki chama chetu cha UDA iangushwe kwa sababu ya mambo kama hiyo. Chapter 6 is very clear. Malala is an SG of a party that is governing this country. So we cannot afford to have an SG who is partisan. He's supposed to be impartial. Hafai kuwa ati anasimama na pande hii ama pande hii. Na sisi tunaghadhabishwa ya kwamba SG of a party like UDA anaweza toka aanze kwenda kutafuta bakuli hapa na pale. Sisi hatuna bakuli ya kumpatia. Wale ambao wako na bakuli ya kumpatia, yeye waende wakashughulike na yeye. Lakini as we want the law to be followed, we want honesty. We are saying that Malala ya kwamba ameingililia Trans Nzoia, ameingililia Marsabit, ameingililia Isiolo. Kiambu has been on record. We are telling him that Nairobi, we are not going to entertain that. We will not entertain that. And we are saying we are waiting for these UDA grassroots elections. We are going to vote him out of the SGC.